Hi, I'm Charlie Mann. I'm a Michigan resident and a waterfowl hunting expert. Some of my favorite waterfowling traditions include the opening day of the early goose season in September. After a long summer of not being able to hunt, this gives us our first opportunity to get in the field. One of the greatest things that's happened to Michigan hunting in the last year is that the Michigan legislature eliminated the age limit for hunters. Now you can get any young hunter that you feel is mature enough to enjoy the experience in the field. One tip I have for parents that are taking young hunters in the field is that they only bring one person with them and only one adult as well. That way the young hunter does not have to worry about anybody else in the blind, and the parent or supervisor can make sure that child is behaving in a safe manner all the time. I love getting together with my friends for a great day in the grouse woods, reminiscing about old bird dogs, having a great lunch in the field, enjoying a great dinner afterwards, and it just seems like you get such a great night's sleep after a long day in the grouse woods. Grouse hunting season is my favorite time of the year.